When was the last time you went over someone's head? Today, we are learning advanced business idioms. Let's start learning. First up, we have to pull rank. To pull rank means you use your position or your authority to get what you want.
Because I am your boss.
You're pulling rank on me?
Like, she didn't want to work overtime, but her manager pulled rank to get her to stay. This means her manager used her authority to get something that she wanted, even though her subordinate didn't want to. Number 2 is to get the ball rolling. This means you start a project.
I'm gonna get the ball rolling, okay?
Like, we need to get the ball rolling on this new marketing campaign. Can you get the ball rolling? Number 3 is very common in speaking and in emails, to touch base.
But we can touch base again next week.
Like, can we touch base later after the meeting? Or let's touch base next week. Touch base means to contact someone. This is usually very briefly to communicate something. Number 4 is to bite the bullet. This means you do something uncomfortable or something you don't want to do because you want to get it over with.
I guess I'll have to bite the bullet.
Like, we just need to bite the bullet and get this started. We can't wait any longer. Number 5 is to keep someone in the loop.
Oh, good. Keep me in the loop on that.
Can you keep me in the loop about this project? To keep someone in the loop means you keep them updated about a project or about information that is changing. Number 6 is to take it offline. Can we take this conversation offline? This means you want to discuss something privately away from a larger group. You use this when you want to have a more private conversation and not in front of everyone. Number 7 is to move the goalposts. This means to change the rules or expectations for something that makes it harder for you to succeed.
Really feels like you're moving the goalpost.
We were about to finish this project, but they moved the goalpost by asking for all these additional features. To move the goalpost means expectations have changed and now it's really difficult to succeed. Number 8 is to put all of your eggs in one basket. This means you rely entirely on one plan for your success.
You ever hear not putting all your eggs in one basket?
Like, we shouldn't put all our eggs in one basket by focusing on one client. We should branch out and contact many people for business. Number 9 is to think outside the box. This means you approach a problem in a new and creative way.
Think outside the box and get them out.
Like, this problem is really difficult, so I think we need to think outside the box to come up with a new solution. Next up, we have the ball is in your court. This means it is up to the other person to make the next move.
Ball's in your court, pal.
Hey.
Like, I've sent them the proposal, now the ball is in their court. This means it is up to them to take action. And finally, we have to go over someone's head. If you have a problem at work, you go over your boss's head and you look for someone who has more authority and more power so they can resolve your issue.
I'm going over Sheila's ass's head.
To go over someone's head means you go to the next person who has more authority. Like, your boss says no to something and you think it's a really good idea, so you go over their head by going to their boss and asking. And I'll see you later. Bye.